Similarities and differences between Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro. Published real photos of cases for smartphones. Leaked images show holes for two stereo speakers. The Chinese social network Vivo has published real photos of transparent silicone cases for the flagship smartphones Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro, which should be presented very soon. Also, potential Huawei Mate 40 Pro filmed in the subway in the hands of the user. Live photos do not allow you to see too much. According to one version, smartphones can be shown already at a press conference dedicated to the announcement of the Kirin 9000 single-chip system, which is scheduled for September 3. There are also suggestions the Huawei may delay the announcement until October this year. The photos show that the Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro will receive the same rear panel design, where the large round main camera block is located. There is no separate cutout for the LED flash. That is, it is also located inside this circle. Images of the top and bottom of the case show the holes for the two stereo speakers. Interestingly, the case for the Huawei Mate 40 Pro lacks a cutout for the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the same time, there is such a hole in the case for the Huawei Mate 40. According to rumors, the Mate 40 Pro will receive a camera consisting of 4 image sensors, while the Huawei Mate 40 will receive a triple main camera. The Mate 40 and the Mate 40 Pro is expected to come with OLED panels that will support 90 Hz refresh rates. The Mate 40 should get a 6.5 inches FHD Plus display, while the Mate 40 Pro may come with a 6.78 inches QHD Plus display. Also, potential Huawei Mate 40 Pro filmed in the subway in the hands of the user. Live photos do not allow you to see too much. In recent years, many flagship smartphones were captured before their official announcement in the hands of the users on the subway. There are test samples. This time, a potential Huawei Mate 40 Pro was filmed in the Chinese subway. Surely, it is possible to say, since the photo is not very clear and the smartphone itself in the case. However, the reliability of the pictures were confirmed by a couple of well-known insiders. Another photo also show a possible Huawei Mate 40 Pro, but the shot is clearly not from the subway. However, the shots do reveal a waterfall screen, a speaker on the top that hints at dual speakers, as well as a volume buttons and a power button. Note that the physical volume control buttons will greatly delight those users who were not happy with their disappearance in the Mate 30 Pro. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.